Hello everyone, and in this video I will compare Monzo vs HSBC and we will see the general overview, the pros and cons, the differences, the cost and then the conclusion. But first please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's dive in. So let's start with the overview. In 2021, Monzo boasted a user base exceeding 5 million, underscoring its widespread appeal among both individuals and businesses in the UK. The platform's financial prowess was evident in a transaction volume surpassing £50 billion, attesting to the substantial economic activity flowing through its channel. Monzo's financial health received a notable boost through substantial funding, with a cumulative investment of £113 million as of its latest funding round in 2020. This robust financial backing reflects a high level of investor confidence in Monzo's future growth prospects. Spanning 65 countries and territories, HSBC stands as one of the premier and internationally renowned banking entities. With a customer base exceeding 38 million worldwide, HSBC's extensive reach is a testament to its substantial influence. As of 2021, the bank's total assets amounted to $2.9 trillion, firmly establishing it as a key player among the world's largest financial institutions. Now let's take a look at Monzo's Pro. Intuitively designed digital interface. Monzo stands out for its mobile app user-friendly design, ensuring a smooth and accessible banking experience. Business proprietors can effortlessly oversee their financial matters, access real-time transaction details, and configure personalized notifications. Effortless and speedy account setup. Establishing a business account with Monzo is a straightforward process. Through a streamlined online application, you can have your account operational within minutes, eliminating the need for extensive paperwork or visit to a physical branch. Clear and open fee system. Monzo adopts a transparent pricing model devoid of concealed charges. Their straightforward fee structure is easily comprehensible, empowering business owners to efficiently plan and manage their expenditures. Incorporate financial utilities. Monzo offers a suite of integrated financial tools, encompassing expense tracking and automated categorization. These functionalities assist business proprietors in gaining insight into their spending patterns and making well-informed financial choices. Now let's see the Monzo's cons. Sparse branch presence. In contrast to conventional banks such as HSBC, Monzo functions predominantly as a digital bank entity featuring a constrained number of physical branch sites. This might pose a drawback for businesses seeking hands-on assistance or those who value in-person engagements. Constrained global accessibility. Monzo's international banking reach falls short of the extensive capabilities offered by larger institutions like HSBC. For businesses engaged in frequent international transactions or global operations, the services provided by Monzo might be perceived as somewhat restrictive. Now let's take a look to HSBC pros. Broad global footprint. HSBC stands as one of the world's premier and well-established banks, boasting a formidable global presence. This proves advantageous for businesses engaged in international operations, as HSBC delivers an array of international banking services encompassing multi-currency accounts and global trade solutions. Comprehensive array of financial offerings. Beyond fundamental banking services, HSBC offers an extensive suite of financial solutions including business loans, trade finance, cash management, and wealth management. This diversity positions HSBC as a one-stop destination for various financial requirements, particularly catering to large business in need of specialized services. Extensive physical branch network. HSBC maintains a widespread network of physical branches through the UK and worldwide. This proves beneficial for businesses valuing face-to-face interaction or seeking in-person support for intricate banking necessities. Robust protective measures. Leveraging its stature as a large institution, HSBC channels substantial investment into security protocols to safeguard customer funds and data. Employing advanced encryption technology and fraud detection system, HSBC provides business owners with a sense of confidence regarding the security of their financial transaction. Now let's see the HSBC cons. Elaborate account setup process. In contrast to banking options such as Monzo, Establishing a business account with HSBC tends to be more time intensive and involves a greater amount of paperwork. The account initiation procedure might necessitate multiple documents and additional steps, posing a potential challenge for business owners seeking a swift and uncomplicated setup. Elevated account fees. HSBC business account fees generally run higher when compared to certain digital banking alternatives. Depending on the specific account type and required services, businesses might encounter increased monthly maintenance fees, transaction charges, and additional fees associated with specific features or services. Possibility of less personalized service. Owing to the expensive customer base of HSBC, some businesses might encounter a less personalized level of customer service compared to smaller banks or digital-only counterparts. Business proprietors who place value on a more tailored and individualized banking experience may perceive customer support from HSBC as less personal. Constrained digital experience. While HSBC provides digital services, its digital platform may not match the sophistication or user friendliness offered by digital only bank like Monzo. The online and mobile banking interface might not be as seamless or feature rich, presenting a potential drawback for business prioritizing a highly intuitive and user friendly environment. Now let's see Monzo versus HSBC. The differences. Monzo provides a contemporary and digitally centric banking encounter in contrast to HSBC, which integrates both digital and traditional banking services. Monzo targets businesses favoring a simplified digital approach, whereas HSBC caters to those who appreciate the flexibility of both online and in person banking. HSBC stands among the globe's largest banks, boasting substantial global influence and an extensive array of international services. Conversely, Monzo, a comparatively newer entrant in the banking arena, concentrates more on the UK market. Now let's see the cost. Monzo provides diverse business account options with different fees, ranging from a complimentary basic plan to premium plans with added features. Similarly, HSBC offers various pricing tiers for business banking with fees contingent on the size and requirements of your business. It is crucial to meticulously assess the associated cost of each bank and conduct a true comparison tailored to your specific needs. HSBC extends its services beyond fundamental banking, encompassing a broader spectrum of financial solutions such as business loans, trade finance, and global cash management. If your business demands a comprehensive array of financial services, HSBC's offering may prove more fitting. Now let's take a look to the conclusion. In summary, the landscape of business banking presents unique advantages and drawbacks for both Monzo and HSBC. Monzo stands out for its exceptional digital banking experience, prioritizing seamlessly, while HSBC distinguishes itself with a broader service spectrum and a more extensive global presence. To make the most suitable choice for their businesses, owners should carefully assess their specific requirements, preferences, and long-term objectives. Key considerations include the desired level of digital integration, international banking requirements, account fees, and the necessity for additional financial services. By weighing those factors, businesses can make an entitled decision in selecting the banking partner that aligns most effectively with their distinct needs. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.